Afternoon guys, today I will be explaining to you the rules of organic agriculture. There are 4 fundamental principles of organic agriculture according to the International Federation of Organic Agriculture Movements. These are the health, ecology, fairness, and care. These principles guide all aspects of organic farming from production to processing and consumption. Let's start with the first. It's about health. Organic agriculture aims to sustain and enhance the health of soil, plants, animals, and humans. Our interconnected system, this includes physical, mental, and ecological well-being. It also emphasizes avoiding synthetic fertilizer, pesticide, and other input that may have adverse health effects. So, sinasabi po dito na iniiwasan natin yung paggamit ng mga synthetic fertilizer, which are the commercial, kasi po nakakasama ito sa ating kalusugan at sa kalusugan pa na iba pang hayop. Ecology. Organic farming is based on ecological system and cycle, working in harmony, nature to promote biodiversity, nutrient cycling, and healthy ecosystem. It avoids the use of synthetic inputs that disrupt this natural process. Gaya po nung sabi ko nung una, hindi po sila gumagamit ng mga synthetic kasi nakakasama po ito sa ecology o sa biodiversity ng hayop. Fairness. Organic agriculture emphasizes building fair relationship between farmers, workers, processor, distributor, and consumer. It aims to ensure a good quality of life for all involved, contributing to food sovereignty and poverty reduction. Care. Organic agriculture is practiced with a precautionary and responsible approach, protecting the health and well-being current and future generations, as well the environment. It emphasizes minimizing environmental impact and promoting sustainable practices. That's all. Thank you.